Hey you, leasing agents, come here, property manager. You guys want more leases? Do you want more leases? Do you want your job to be easier? Do you want your job to be more fun? Here's what I need you to do. I need you to stop giving tours of the community. Stop it. Stop touring your apartments. What do I actually mean by that? Am I telling you to not show up to work? Am I telling you to not show your community to prospects? Absolutely not. But what I want you to think about today on this video right now is, am I giving tours? And maybe I should stop giving tours. Let me explain. Hey everybody, my name is Matt Easton. For those of you that are already in the army of apartment maniacs, the legion of leasers, welcome, great to see you. And if you're not, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to property management, or you watch these videos but you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. This channel's all about you. It's all about helping you get more done. It's all about helping you have more fun. And it's all about helping you achieve your goals. If you get any benefit from this video or any of my videos, please, can you give this video a like? It really helps the algorithm, really helps the channel, and it would mean a lot to me. So please take a quick second, smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. So in terms of helping you get more done, helping you have more fun, and helping you sign more leases, what the heck did I mean by telling you to stop giving tours? Here's what I meant. When we don't understand our prospects, when we don't really understand their current situation and what they're trying to achieve, as an industry, traditionally, we've been trained to do this. We give tours, right? And I know it doesn't seem that way to you, but these tours oftentimes come off to our prospects as very cold, very impersonal, and in many cases, very boring, right? There's our fitness center. There's the climbing wall in the fitness center. There's our swimming pool. Over here, you have a closet. There's the master bedroom, the second bedroom. Wow, look at these countertops, right? It becomes boring. I want you to stop thinking in terms of giving somebody a tour, and I want you to start thinking in terms of creating an experience. When you understand your prospects, when you know what their biggest reason is for moving, what they're maybe moving away from, right? I hate my current kitchen. Or what they're maybe trying to move to. Hey, I got a promotion at work. I want to do a home office situation. When you understand your prospects, you can curate an experience. You can forget tours altogether, right? You can now say, hey, Jeff, you told me that with your new apartment, right? You've got a brand new job. You want a home office. Come on, follow me. We're going to check out 407. This is my favorite floor plan for you. When we open the door, we're going to turn to the left. You're going to see the amazing room that's going to be your office. Come on, Jeff. Come on in here, right? We're going to see that window right here. Here's my thought, Jeff. We would put your desk that you're going to be working at right under this window, so you have a great view while you're working of the park. And one thing that I really love about this, Jeff, if you notice right over here on the side, there's this little tiny Jack and Jill balcony, right? You can open these French doors, step out on this balcony while you're working, maybe have your AirPods in or your headset on. You could be on a call. You could open those doors up, smell that fresh spring air, right? Step out there, check out a view. It'd be a nice little change of scenery while you're working. Jeff, can you really see yourself making this your new office? When you're able to deeply understand what's going on in your prospect's life, instead of just showing them everything around the property ad nauseum in a boring tour, you're able to help them try that community on. You're able to help them try that property on, that apartment on for size, much like a bride selecting a wedding dress. That's hopefully one of the happiest experiences they have, right? Envisioning what their wedding's gonna look like, what their wedding's gonna feel like as they try those dresses on. I want you to think that way in terms of your apartments. Help people try your apartments on for size. Get creative, right? If you've got somebody that maybe you've discovered on the phone, they're really not happy with their current kitchen. Maybe they're having trouble finding time to cook dinner and do the kids' homework and all the other stuff, and you can tell they're stressed, right? Hey, Andy, come on in here. My thought is you hate your current kitchen. I want you to check this out. Look at the lighting, look at the spacing, look at how wide these countertops are. My thought was you could put your iPad right here on the counter. Your daughters could be doing their homework right here at the breakfast bar. You could be cooking, you could be helping them with homework, right? You could also see the TV in the living room. What are your kind of thoughts here on how this kitchen will improve your life? Go from just showing them things in a tour to curating an experience, creating that experience for them. I would love it. Not only please hit the like button, but could you guys comment with some ideas, maybe what you've done in the past to create an experience versus giving a tour, or maybe some ideas of how you could change up your tours and turn them into experiences. I want to hear your ideas. Please comment them below right now. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.